The initial idea behind the greenhouse was not to have a regular type of greenhouse, because the purpose is not just to grow plants. We built this greenhouse to do research related to alternative ways to extend our short growing season here in northern BC. The structure is made of wood, and the glazing is polycarbonate panels. It's custom cut because of their unique shapes. The crops that we've been experimenting with are cold hardy plants. There are more cold resistant plants like broccoli, cabbage, kale, chard, even carrot and beets. We're testing the concept of using a dome within a dome, or a greenhouse within a greenhouse. Another aspect of the greenhouse is to bring the other departments, like the cooking culinary programs, to grow their own vegetables and herbs here. And also, it's supposed to be a gathering place where we can bring students and faculty, companies, and other local growers, for example, where we can discuss ideas and future projects.